Welcome to Lisle. Before you register, please check to make sure that your home address is within our school district's boundaries. You can find our boundary map at the website shown here. Complete online pre-registration at the pre-registration website. You can navigate to the pre-registration form through the kindergarten registration page, the new student registration page, or at the link shown here. Once at the pre-registration form page, please enter the information completely. Then click Submit. After you submit your form, our team will process your enrollment, and then you will receive 3 emails. Email 1 has the subject line Enrollment Pre-Registration Received for Lisle CUSD 202. Email 2 has the subject line Welcome to Lisle and includes information about the steps you will need to complete to finish registering your child. Email 3 has the subject line PowerSchool Account Change. If your family is new to our district, this email includes your new username and temporary password. If you already have a student enrolled in our district, your email will indicate that a student has been added to your account. Step 2. Log into PowerSchool and complete the online registration forms. For new families, use the username and temporary password in the account change email. You will be prompted to create a new password when you log in for the first time. For families with current students, log in with your already established username and password. Then, complete online registration by filling out online forms and uploading enrollment, residency, and health documents. Step 3. Check for confirmation emails. Once you have completed registration and it has been reviewed, you will receive email confirmation. Our team begins reviewing registration for the upcoming school year in May. If you are registering during the school year, after you receive notification that your registration is complete, elementary families will receive a follow-up email with information about the start date and teacher assignment. Junior high and high school families will be contacted by the school office to set up a new student appointment. Step 4. Fee payment. Invoices will be sent in July to all registered families as applicable. You can set up your account for My School Bucks at the website shown here. If you have any questions, please contact our registration team at this email. Thank you, and we can't wait to meet you.